Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to work on my December daily 2021. I finally started working on this album, and I am using the Jingle All the Way kit from Citrus Twist Kits. And one of my plans was to use one of the stamp sentiments from this little stamp set around the image, but the descenders from the P and the G of making spirits bright was kind of making it difficult, so I picked something easier, which was the fa la 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 la. All you gotta do is curve the stamp a little bit, and it's a lot easier with a stamp that doesn't have any descenders. And I printed my photo 5x5 and used a Sizzix circle die to cut my photo. And I'm gonna use my Color Theory ink from Studio Calico to stamp la 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 all around the photo. And I love this paper as one of the printables. There are papers in the kit, and you can also get printables. So if you're worried about shipping, if you want something now, if you want to start doing something, they do have lots of digital items that you can use on your project. And this page has so many uses. You can write wish lists, you can write the names of people if you do an exchange at work and you want to document what each person got. It's really awesome, but I love the design just to keep it simple and add a photo in the middle. And I use my Tombow Fudenosuke little ruler to organize my letters, but I always knew that I wasn't gonna write them straight. I just wanted to know which was the center so I could organize my letters in a way that it will look nice. And I love the Citrus Twist Kits alpha stickers because they have numbers, and it's one of my pet peeves, especially when you do Project Life and the kits don't bring numbers. It drives me crazy. And I was looking through this little cup that I have a bunch of gold die cuts that I made with some lawn fawn dies, and then I remembered that I have these stickers that are actually from last year, and last year I almost used them all. I really love the sticker sheet, and it has a lot of little hearts and stars that you can use. Like I'm going to use them like as sprinkles on this layout. And I'm going to use a lot of red and black. I'm trying to be a little inspired by the wreath that we had in our door. And then I'm gonna try to keep adding little embellishments because that's my style. Add it all there. And I have a video of this kit that you can watch if you want to, and if you haven't, that way you see all the items that are in the kit for this year. And I love these stickers from Simple Stories. I think the collection is called Mix and Mingle, and I love pink in my holiday albums. So I wanted to add little sprinkles here and there, and I thought the hollies were perfect stickers for this. I just wanted to frame the December and add a few more items, which is really hard for me to pull back. To me, this is as simple as I can go. And it also comes with some Vicky Button chipboard stars and snowflakes and numbers. It's a really fun pack, and I'm just going to add my daughter's name at the bottom so I can sign it as Santa. And this is my intro page. Super quick, super simple for me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned because I'm going to share a lot more December Daily 2021. Wish me luck so I can finish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!